Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to update Deepseek app. To update Deepseek app, you have to go to your app store if you are using iOS device. Here I am using Android device, so I'll go to my Play Store. Once you open your application, tap on the search icon located on the bottom right. In the search bar, type in Deepseek app. Now tap on Deepseek app. Here, the Deepseek app that I have installed is already the latest version. That's why we can't see the update option. You will see update option right beside uninstall if there is update available. Then tap on the update option and you can update your Deepseek application. Updating Deepseek app is important to ensure optimal performance, enhance features, and improve security. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.